In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products to your Hostinger website using their website builder. This guide offers a straightforward process, making it easy and efficient to manage products on your website. Now let's dive right in and get started. First up, we want to start off by heading over to the Hostinger website. You'll find yourself greeted by a welcoming digital space that makes bringing your ideas to life online a breeze. This is where all the magic happens, and accessing this platform is your first step towards creating an impressive online store. As you make your way to the Hostinger homepage, your next move is to click on the Login button. You'll find this option readily available, inviting you to access your Hostinger account swiftly. Whether you have your credentials saved or prefer to log in manually, make sure to enter the information that links to the host of your new online venture. Once you've successfully logged in, it's time to head over to the Hostinger home. This is your control center, the heartbeat of your website management activities. Think of it as the command post where you can access different functionalities and make modifications seamlessly. Now your focus should shift to managing the store. You'll see an option labeled Manage Store, which is your gateway to organizing your product list. By clicking this option, you're essentially stepping into the retail side of your website where all product configurations take place. In this area, you'll be presented with several options, but your goal is to locate and click on products. This section serves as your digital shelf space, a focal point where adding, editing, and managing the products you offer come to life. Finally, the moment you've been gearing up for, it's time to add your products. Direct your attention to the plus Add Product button. This active command allows you to begin the process of listing what you have to offer. With a simple click, you are prompted to input details such as product names, descriptions, prices, and images. Each element you incorporate will help potential buyers understand what you are offering. This whole process is intuitive and designed to support a smooth experience. If at any point you feel uncertain about details like pricing or descriptions, consider what similar products in the market are offering for guidance. Remember, the clearer and more detailed the information, the better it resonates with your audience. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive walkthrough of adding products to your Hostinger website builder in just a few steps. Embrace this newfound capability to enhance your online store and reach a wider audience effectively. Thanks for watching and happy selling.